Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Magesi 0 is the final game. League namhlanje we're going to see a new cup for the very first time. So Silaite winning a South Beach. As we can see, Amasandawana Chabulile, my ladies and gentlemen, everybody is happy about today's game. How do you make of a season here, Sundowns? Yonke. I'm not talking about today's game, but the whole season in Mamelodi Sundowns.
This season it was a very, very difficult season. Normally Sundowns first half we know what is the dealing in league, but this year because of factors amaning, change ama coach, yonke lento ne management ihlela into, but at the end it's kombile ukuthi is strong and it's kombile ukuthi it can simeshane ama points wethu kufana na last year because bengabhekanga ukuthi singafika la sifike khona kwamanje, but I'm happy as a supporter ngoba yakhomba nabafana ukuthi bazimisele kakhulu.
You speak about the changing of coaches. We know we started the season with Coach Manqoba Mngqithi, and then he was defeated with Black Label. And then after that in December, Cardoso was introduced as the new coach here Mamelodi Sundowns. So would you say ikona inomehluko uCardoso that he brought to Mamelodi Sundowns as opposed to what Coach Manqoba was doing?
Yes, ngasho ukuthi ukhona umkhulu umehluko because sengibona ibelieve kubafana. Ngoba ngibonile ispirit besiphansi kakhulu kuManqoba. Not ukuthi uManqoba coach engasi right, but ngibone ukuthi makufika uCardoso abafana ushilo nayo ukuthi into adile nayo kakhulu i-mental strength. Because yiyo into beyileka ngicabanga ukuthi nokuhamba kaRulani ubashaye nge-surprise. So umoral coach uthoma kafika nge-experience yakhe uCardoso wafika noshintsho olukhulu kakhulu. So ama player nabo ngibona sebaya-believer babuya badlala the way sibajwayele badlala ngakhona. So ube noshintsho olukhulu and the way ngibheke ngakhona sisaya kude ngoCardoso.
Namhlanje we're watching the game from Durban, but next week we're going to Pretoria. Siyobuka iCAF Champions League final leg 1 against the Pyramids. You are going to be there as well, I know. So do you think Sundowns is going to do better in the CAF Champions League?
Yes, I believe with Pretoria we're gonna do because we need to. It's a must. Sikhuphuke ngamagoli at least masingasebenzanga kahle kube yi-2-0. But ngikholwa ukuthi singayenza ne-3 ukuya phezulu. The way idlala ngakhona ngibuke kakhulu nama games we-Pyramid ngoba ngiyayilandela nayo ngale ukuthi idlala njani. So ayihlangananga the way iSundowns ne-quality yabo ngoba se lose I think 3 games out of 4. So to me iyakhomba nabo ukuthi bathukile ukuthi bazofisa babhekana neSundowns. So psychologically lezo zinto ziya-influence i-game, but ePretoria we need to go there and really kill it there. The game iphele ePretoria le kube sesiyaqedele.
Well, congratulations Sandawana. We've got 20 million in the bag. It's the 8th times in a row. So ayikho enye into esengayikhuluma.
No, ngiyabonga kakhulu. This i-record nje. South Africa or Africa, I don't know kune team eke yayenza 8 times in a row. So ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyazi i-media ayisfavor, but ngiyabonga ngawo.
What are you saying when you say media is fake?
No, mainstream, mainstream media. So ngibonga ngama podcast and all these other medias because manje it's true because Sundowns South Africa I don't believe with iyayithola praise they deserve. But we as supporters not we must pull up the socks. Sikhombe South Africa with really siyayilandela iSundowns.
No, congratulations guys. Sure. Well, it is what it is. Mamelodi Sundowns are the Betway Premiership champions and they are champions of the league for the 8th time in a row. But first, you said you wanted to talk about Marcelo Allende. What do you want to say to your man?
I think he doesn't get enough credit. He's the engine of of Sundowns. My cellular, my 3310, the battery never runs low. He did that and he won the match. And congratulations to Amasandawana, Kaboyelo. We didn't do it once, we didn't do it twice, we didn't do it 3 times, 4, 5, 6. This is the time.
Okay, so do you think he's the midfielder of the season?
Best season.
What about him?
Everything. Alanda has my heart, unfortunately. He has my being, my soul.
Don't worry, ngizokunikezela number yakhe. Ngizokuzama ngenumber. So a beautiful game. We saw Mamelodi Sundowns lifting the cup. Ekade singayazi ukuthi izobe njani. Kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi ivele njengoba isizovela manje at the end of the season. But are you happy with this cup?
Yo, to be honest, I wasn't really expecting this cup to look like so beautiful.
Yeah.
It's really a nice cup. It is beautiful, and I am happy, Ngayo. Comparing to the, okay, I don't want to do the
DSTV,
but
Yeah.
yo,
that was nice. DSTV.
it was nice, but this one, it's very unique. It's unique. So, mina, happy.
Come on.
There was another one that was.
Another thing, another one special thing about it. But we were the first team to
on.
lift the
Come
cup.
on.
For DSTV, we've been the only team that has lifted the DSTV Premier Cup. So, yeah.
And the last one to lift ABSA.
Can you talk about the 20 million check? 2 zeros and 6 zeros. Catching. We're securing the bag.
The back is in the house. Last one, there was another one that was trending this week, a black and white, which looked like a dildo. Wait.
Comments. No comments.
What does it look like? What does it look like a dildo? What were you saying about that one? Mulindelen, and it was black and white.
Well, I had Woodsy in mind. I didn't take those cups that has been circulating around Woodsy. Like there's a possibility Woodsy, it could be one of them. I wasn't really expecting Woodsy being higher solo because that was
Well, thank you so much, ladies. Amasandawana Chabulile, as you can see all around Umnandi. So next season. But before we get to next season, next week, Mhla 24th, is a Love Stars.
Second star.
Phakathi inside the show.
We're getting the second star.
Sonke bafethu.
Yes, that. We're donating these ones. We're donating these ones next season.
Second
Because
star.
we're getting the second star.
Yeah.
Thank you. Well, it's just about it. Sisila South Beach in Durban, Mamelodi Sundowns just made history by winning for the 8th time in a row in Betway Premiership. We're going to see the cup being revealed for the very first time as we speak. So, my ladies, Mamelodi Sundowns la eThekwini. Hello, ladies.
Hello.
Njani?
Si happy asibona nje nawe. Si happy.
Listen, this is a beautiful moment, and iyaqala ukwenzeka lento ukuthi i-team in South Africa iwina i-league for the 8th time in a row. Kuthini okakuphawula nje kulokho nje kukodwa.
Hayi sijabule kakhulu sovinjwa ulwandle njengamanje.
Okusuka nini madoda? Ayisakhanya into
Hayi akekho ozosithinta kwamanje.
next season.
Siphinda khona siyabaphinda same story. Siyabavumela na next season.
Baze bathi
Baze bathi bhuti. Baze bathi bhuti Motsepe. Baze bathi bhuti Motsepe.
We see icup nayo iseboxini manje. Sizoyibona for the first time ukuthi injani. So asiphuthume sihambe sobe sesiyabuya siqhubeke interview.
Amasandawana shapa.